I think one of my biggest tips is don't hide, your nerdiness or whatever.
The advice I would give would be try to put the nervousness and the anxiety on the back burner and embrace it for the wonderful journey and learning adventure that it is for your students and for yourself. Like it's sort of this holistic experience of learning, and it goes both ways.
The point that I'm trying to emphasize towards my students, whether in the first class or all along the term, is that I am approachable. So I'm really emphasizing that they can come to me anytime, and that if they're struggling with something, I'm there for them to talk to me if they need.
I think it's important to always be open to feedback, to look at your evaluations, to see what your students are saying, see what you can do better at, and really take that to heart to continue honing your craft and making your teaching better all the time.
To me, the idea of teaching is not to transmit knowledge to students, but to facilitate learning. So learning happens within the students. So I think my tip is to change your view of teaching and really center your teaching on students. So that makes a lot of difference. So when you prepare a lecture, instead of thinking about what you're going to say to the students, you think about what you want the students to learn. And then you start thinking about student learning outcomes, start having active learning in classroom and things like that. So I think this makes a big difference when you start shifting the focus from the teacher to the students.